Budget RO system, aqualife RO buddy. This is how it works. Connected it to my washer with a splitter. Clean water goes in here, and wastewater goes in this hose. I actually had it on a very low because I have another filter. Look how ghetto it is. I got one of these because I found this system is very inefficient. Takes too much wastewater. So I got one of these for like 10 bucks. You know what? You could actually use this one just by itself. Use it for your tank instead of getting all those expensive systems. I got a ghetto one right here.